How to turn off super power saving mode on Android. This tutorial shows you how to disable power saving mode and restore full functionality to your Android device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Next, swipe down again to expand the full Quick Settings menu. Following that, look for Power Saving Mode or Battery Saver icon among the tiles. Now, tap on the Power Saving Mode icon to turn it off quickly. Moving forward, the icon will become inactive, indicating power saving is disabled. Afterwards, if you don't see the toggle in Quick Settings, try the Settings app instead. In addition to that, launch the Settings application on your Android device. Once Settings opens, scroll down to find Battery or Battery and Device Care. Subsequently, tap on Battery to access all power management options. Moreover, you'll see the current battery status and power saving settings. Afterwards, look for Power Saving Mode or Super Power Saving Mode option. Then, tap on the toggle switch next to it to disable the feature. Within this section, the toggle will turn off and your device will return to normal mode. Alternatively, if you're in Super Power Saving Mode with limited screen options, once you see the simplified interface, look for the More or three dots icon. Then, tap on Turn Off or Disable Super Power Saving Mode. Afterwards, a confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm. Then, tap on Turn Off or OK to exit Super Power Saving Mode completely. Moreover, your device will restart briefly and restore all apps and features. Afterwards, all your apps, widgets, and settings will be back to normal. Then, your Android device is now running in standard mode with full functionality restored. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you turn off super power saving mode on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.